I'm going to show you how to attach a shimmer ball panel to your backdrop. All you need is your shimmer ball panel and 2 zip ties. So we're going to take our shimmer wall panel, and you see how there's all these rows on the back? We're going to go to the 3rd row right here, and we're going to attach it, place it on our bar. We're going to take one of the zip ties, and we are going to go under the bar and go under that 3rd row. So we're going to pull it out like this. And then we're going to zip tie it together. We're going to repeat this step with another zip tie. So we're going to take the zip tie. We're going to place it under the bar. We're going to go under the 3rd row again, pull it through, and connect the zip tie. And our shimmer wall panel is attached to the bar.